Commercial truck accident injury claims in Idaho and car accident injury claims in Idaho are very different things. It seems like a commercial truck accident case is just a big car collision case. It's not. The reason for that is there are statutory standards that these drivers and trucking companies have to meet, and that makes sense because they cause so much damage when they are involved in collisions as opposed to cars. Obviously, cars can cause substantial damage too, but when you have 105,000 pounds of rolling death on the interstate causing a collision, you want to follow up with all the regulatory evaluation. Why did the wreck happen is a big question in any trucking collision case. Not just did this driver not pay attention, but is there a reason the driver didn't pay attention? Professional truck drivers have lots of time standards they have to meet. There's lots of regulations on the safety and the safety of the vehicles themselves, and standards that limit what they can carry and how they carry it. And we often find that inside one of these large trucking, semi-truck collision cases, there are things that have happened that are a lot, that raise the culpability of others above and beyond merely the driver. Sometimes it's the driver and the owners are just looking the other way while the driver is doing things that are not legal and not allowed, and they're not allowed because they're recognized by law as being unsafe. And we want to be able to track those things down so all damages and full and fair compensation for your losses can be identified and obtained, because as a driver gets beyond merely negligent to reckless or an extreme deviation of standards of behavior, the measures of damages change under Idaho law, and these complexities can only be evaluated by a competent personal injury trial attorney with substantial knowledge and understanding of the differences between trucking collision cases in Idaho and car collision cases in Idaho. We're happy to consult with you on this, talk to you about the specifics of your situation. We encourage you to call us sooner rather than later when you're dealing with a semi-truck collision case in Idaho.